Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a video tonight about these e-commerce giants. So this is one of my favorites right here that I've been in. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's basically a service where you can hire people online to complete services like video editing. And I'll run the IPO video right now.
So basically, Fiverr connects freelancers with businesses of all sizes. And really, the uniqueness of the platform is that the experience of buying a digital service on Fiverr is very similar to shopping on Amazon. You browse, you search, you find something, you click order, and it's done.
What kind of services are the most popular?
Well, graphic design is one, content marketing, videography and animation, music services, marketing and advertising, anything you can imagine. It's the everything store for digital service. So basically, the system helps you productize your offering, so you can define what you're offering, how much time it's going to take you to deliver, and the asking price. And basically, all that buyers have to do is they screen through the offerings, they find something they like, they click order, pay, and that's done.
Subscription model, you take a cut of the contract, how does that work?
So basically we take a take out of every transaction, and it's one of the industry leading take rates of over 26%.
This stock has taken off since IPO in 2019. It's up 228%. Now I think this has a lot more room to grow because this company isn't even profitable yet. So this is kind of unrealistic, but if we compare it to something like Shopify, on the road to profitability, you can see it's all it takes. Now obviously I'm not trying to say Fiverr is going to be $1,000 a share, but if we were to throw up another example here, so another comparison would be Etsy. It's another service both like Fiverr and Shopify with e-commerce, but I can continue with Baba here, just growth and growth. And now here's another one with eBay. E-commerce is like the next new king, I believe. So I would definitely keep a lookout for some e-commerce in your portfolio. Now, if we really want to go in depth here, and I'm doing some good analysis, you look at this. This is Etsy in the blue compared to Fiverr. And it's a comparison between the last... Oh, hold on. So if we really want to do some analysis here, we could look at the year and daily chart and the max in 1 week from Fiverr's IPO compared to Etsy here, and they're looking very similar. So I think this is just the whole e-commerce in general. Now and also with Shopify, you can see it's having the same kind of run up and growth. This is actually kind of cool to look at. This is the first time I've compared them legitimately. I've only just looked at them and seen they were similar. So this just confirms my theory really of the e-commerce bubble being like viable right now. We can throw in eBay. eBay, same thing. And Baba. But to go back to Fiverr here, I would only stick with shares and low budget. I've been playing this the whole way up, so I'm fine with losing money on it. But if it's someone getting into it, just be careful. So if we want to go over to the website here, they've definitely been updating it from when I've seen. I've been on Fiverr for years now. I'm not sure what these brands are doing down here either, but I am all for it. I like that. If you want to look at some of their services, the thing I've used it for mostly is logo design. That's the best right here. But this is also a hot YouTube stock. A lot of YouTubers do like videos with it. It's a really good service, and it's especially now more viable than ever. And not to mention, the services are crazy. You could find forex signals, you could find like probably stock tips. Oh wow, you could sign it with Apple too. There's just tons of things here. And not to say there's also scammers too, but I would hope they're doing something to get rid of that by now. Wow. Imagine paying for this when I'm giving it away for free. Even got Fiverr stock themselves, outpacing the S&P 500, that's for sure. So I have this position right here, this Fiverr 100 call, August. As you can see, these things aren't very liquid. They don't move a lot at all. It was sitting at 3-4 for so long. But now this thing's up with a really high bid and ask. I think it's like 5 to 7. Yeah, this thing really went crazy. If we look at the 14 day, it was $2 a couple weeks ago. So I like this stock. I like all the potential it has. I missed out on a lot of options going on the way up. I had stock the whole way up, and I was like day trading it pretty much, but I am super regretful for not grabbing like some of these 50 calls. That's super wild. But I think that's going to wrap it up for this. If you have any questions, concerns, you disagree, something like that, I'm not saying go buy into this too. Please. I'm not saying go short it too. These are just my opinions, my analysis, what I'm doing, okay? This is not advice. Just had to get that out there, sorry. Alright. Have a beautiful night, everyone.